Let's start with this. So this, and one more which I can't find will be an exam for sure. Okay, so you see this is kidney, right? We have kidney tissue, and this is this. And then we have here space. Now it's used by different structures. So this is renal sinus. I don't ask this question because it's difficult to understand. Well, okay, so it's already used. Now, question. I put pin here. Name this part of kidney tissue. What is this?
Renal cortex.
Right. And if I put pin here with the same question, what is this?
Renal medulla.
Medulla. Okay. Now, question. I put pin here, or it could be here. And question. Name this structure.
Renal pyramid.
Pyramid. Okay. Now here, what is the name of this narrow, deepest portion of pyramid? Here, here, here.
Renal papilla.
Papilla. Okay, guys. If you try to find and you read, more chances that you will remember. Okay. Do you have book? Okay. Could you open, or you don't want to play with us? Okay. Now here, cortex, medulla.
Pyramid.
Yes, represented by pyramids. Between pyramids, we have, well, wide or narrow portions of cortex. This is large portion of cortex. Between here, we have very narrow, here narrow. What is the name of this portion of cortex between pyramids?
Are they the columns?
Yeah, renal column. Now, I show you this renal column part, then here, then part of this renal column, and this part of cortex just above this pyramid. All together, what is this?
Renal lobe.
Renal lobe. Now, we make urine within pyramid, and step by step from here to here we adjust, and then at this level we have already final composition and volume of urine, and this urine will be collected into this or this or this or this or this. What is the name of these first rooms to collect urine?
Minor calyx. Is that the calyx?
Which calyx?
Minor calyx.
Minor calyx, small. Okay. Now this is minor calyx. This is minor calyx. They merge, and this is the second room for urine. What is the name of this?
Is that major?
This is major calyx. Okay. Now all major calyxes will bring urine into the last large room within kidney, and this is this. This is here. So if I want to show you here, I will attach pin to this portion. If here, well, somewhere here. Okay. So this is lowest part of this room, and the name of this room is renal pelvis. And after that, urine will go outside and will go within this structure to bladder, ureter. Okay, now, good. This is this. Okay. Now, by the way, what is the name of this portion of kidney?
The red one? Is that what you're saying?
No,
Hilum?
this part where we
The
have.
hilum?
Okay, hilum. I never know. Okay.
Whichever.
Yeah, according to rules of language, it should be hilum, but Latin this is hilum.
Okay.
Okay, so here we have renal artery, renal vein, ureter. We don't see nerve and lymphatics. Now about blood vessels, and this is yeah.
Ask about blood vessels.
This is 646, page 646. There you see sequence of arteries. Oh, okay, what is this?
The renal artery.
Okay, then 1, 2, 3. Name.
Point to it.
this.
Segmental artery?
Yes, right, segmental. Now, segmental will give branches, and this segmental will give this, and will give this. Name these arteries.
Is that the interlobar?
Interlobar arteries. Good. Now, each interlobar will give branches, and here, from here to here, one branch, and to here. From this interlobar, we have branch here. Name these arteries.
Is that the arcuate?
Arcuate, because it's curve, it's arch, arcuate, okay? And from them we have branches which are here. Last arteries in this sequence. What is the name of these arteries? Cortical radiate arteries. And if you look at this picture, you see here, look, you see here, this is arcuate, cortical radiate, and from each we have arteriole which will bring blood within this structure. And this is corpuscle. And you see all these corpuscles like this round, like nodules here. You see? Many corpuscles. And what we have here, no, better here. This is corpuscle, this is entrance of blood, and capillaries inside, this is glomerulus. So blood will go inside here. So this is afferent arteriole. And afferent arteriole will rise from cortical radiate artery, right? Therefore, what is the name of this artery?
It's the renal artery.
So this will give rise to afferent arteriole. Therefore, what is this?
Adrenal?
Huh?
Is it adrenal artery? No?
Okay, again. Here we have cortical radiate arteries, and from each we have the beginning of many afferent arterioles which will bring blood into single glomerulus. This is afferent arteriole. This is, what is this? This starts from this. This is afferent arteriole. What is this? Guys, let me repeat again. Here we have cortical radiate arteries, and from each we have the beginning of afferent arteriole, which will bring blood into many glomeruli. This is afferent arteriole. What is this? This is cortical radiate artery. This is piece of cortical radiate artery. Okay. Yeah, you understand this?
Can you show it on that model, the big model?
I can show you cortical radiate arteries, but we do not have here these nodules. We have them here.
Right here, yeah.
Okay, so this is cortical radiate artery, and from each we have the beginning of this arteriole, and you see this very short, small, they go inside each structure like this, and this is corpuscle. Yes? Okay. Now, parts of corpuscle here. This is corpuscle, right? What is this? Find.
Capsular epithelium?
I don't ask about epithelium. Structure. Name this structure. What is this?
Glomerular capsule.
Okay, glomerular capsule. Okay. This is glomerular capsule or Bowman capsule. Now, inside we have this. This is capillary bed, which has this spherical shape, and we have space between this and capsule. What is the name of this capillary bed?
Capsular space?
No.
No.
Capillary bed, this is not space. This is something that you can touch. Glomerulus.
Capillary.
This is glomerulus itself. It has spherical shape, and this is why we call glomerulus. Okay, and this is capsular space. When we have filtration of blood plasma, blood within capillaries, and filtration through the wall of capillaries and two more membranes. Filtrate, result of filtration will go here in this space, okay? And then we'll go into first tubular portion of nephron. What we have in nephron, you see here, we have corpuscle with glomerulus, and then all other parts, they are tubular. So from corpuscle it will go to tubular. When it's inside tubular, this fluid is called tubular fluid. And the first portion, tubular portion, this is this. You don't need to look at shape, whatever. By definition, what is the very first tubular portion next to corpuscle? What is this?
Proximal.
Yeah, this is proximal convoluted tubule. Okay, very beginning. Now if we look here, so this is afferent arteriole, blood inside. Blood goes outside. This is efferent arteriole. You see, it will take blood here, will make many capillaries, another capillary bed. And these capillaries, they are around tubula, they are called peritubular capillaries. So we have one capillary bed, second capillary bed. This is portal system. Now this is what, tell me, what is this? Huh? This is what? What is this?
Proximal.
This is proximal convoluted tubule. Let's follow. We are here, then we move here, and only after that we go down. So here we have the beginning of second tubular portion of nephron, and this is this. So what is this?
The nephron loop?
Nephron loop. After nephron loop, this fluid will go to third tubular portion. What is the name of this tubular portion?
Juxta something.
Ah?
Is that the juxta?
No. This is proximal and this is distal convoluted tubule. So proximal convoluted tubule, nephron loop, distal convoluted tubule, and fluid will go here, 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 and then here. And what we have here, we have this tube, and this is not part of nephron. This is outside. And what is the name of this tube? Huh?
Is that the
Collecting duct. Yes, this is collecting duct. And here, last portion of collecting duct. This is, what is the name of this duct? Papillary duct. Okay. So now, in the end of papillary duct, everything is done. Only here, because here we still continue reabsorption and secretion. So last adjustments. And from here we have right to call this fluid urine, and urine will go to the first room for urine collection. So what is this? Minor calyx. This is the beginning upper portion of minor calyx. Okay. Now. Okay, this is corpuscle, this is proximal convoluted tubule, then this down, descending limb, ascending limb, this is nephron loop, and this green, this is distal convoluted tubule, this is collecting duct. Here, somewhere here, we have papillary duct. Okay? Now, if this is proximal convoluted tubule, what is this? So here we have two arterioles. Which is which? Well, it's made not very realistic, but when I look at this, I believe that this is blood. And this is large diameter arteriole. And when I look at this, I see the lumen is small. And this is afferent, which always has larger diameter, and this is efferent arteriole. So what it means that blood goes inside here and then will be taken outside through this. Now, this wall, I don't know, I understand the idea what they wanted to show, but walls, they are not so different here and here. But in the place where we have these two arterioles, we also have this tubule. And this is what this tubule is.
Convoluted?
This is the very beginning of distal convoluted tubule. And you see, this is site exactly opposite to the beginning of proximal convoluted tubule. I think nothing else.
That's it. Smile. Thank you.
No.